Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Shubhangi. So in today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys about 10 most important Instagram stores that you should know about if you are looking for good yet affordable makeups, mainly hydroliners, water activated pigments, lip glosses, blushes, glitters. So there are a lot of things in our plate today. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now these 10 Instagram stores, I have personally bought from every one of them and tested their products. So there is needless to say that their quality is really good, and I think it can in fact compete with real good popular brands out there in the market. So I'm not going to just randomly give you guys 10 Instagram stores. Rather, I have divided all their products into makeup categories. Like I'm going to talk about hydroliners, then pigments, then I'm going to talk about glitters and rhinestones, even include glitter eyeshadows. Then I'm going to talk about lip glosses, and finally I'm going to talk about my blush, my favorite product. Anyway, so these are all the categories, and also this video I thought of doing only because my best hydroliner video, this video was really received well. People have commented and DM'd me about how informative that video is. Then I thought, wait, do you guys not know about these Instagram stores? Like, wow. So I should share more about Instagram stores, small businesses, because not many people are doing that, and there are really good products out there. So if you are getting really broke while buying all the trendy things out there in the market, I got you guys. So first, let's start with hydroliners. Now I'm going to be very quick while sharing you guys all the products, because there are a lot of products. I keep on buying from Instagram stores because they have so many things to offer. So anyways, I'm going to be real quick, and also the reason is I have pretty much in detailed video of each of the products in my channel. I'm going to link everything in the description box. So you can call this video like a summarized version of all the Instagram store videos that I have created in the past. Let's start. I have talked way too much. Now, the first Instagram store that I really like blindly believe in is Pretty Pouch. They have such great hydroliners, as you guys can see. I have 4 of their pastel ones, and they are really beautiful. You can blend this one real nice. In fact, I have applied this one today as well as a blue eyeliner, as you guys can see. I have applied this one, this little guy over here. Now they are really good, and they never smudge. You can see I'm rubbing it and it never smudges. It dries quickly, and you can change the consistency depending on how much water you mix in. These are cake form of hydroliners. Yes, so I love this brand Pretty Pouch, and their price range is like quite the savior. If you are like in the end of the month and you are broke, you can still buy them because they are so cheap. Just love their quality. Now the second IG store for hydroliner is BS_beauty. It's their Instagram store. I think they have website as well. Yes, I got this one from their website only. So I have these 3 hydroliners over here. The black one, the white one, which is staple, and I have a brown one. I believe this brown shade is cappuccino, but I think I may be wrong. That's because they have kind of 4 to 5 different shades of brown, like peachy to slightly burnt red to slightly cool toned browns, all kind of browns, and I'm kind of like stunned when I saw that launch. Also, they have beautiful lashes, though I haven't tried them, so I can't recommend you guys. But as far as their hydroliners are concerned, they are pretty good. I have even applied this one, the black one, very near to my lash line. You can't probably see. By the way, also they have glitter hydroliners, not glitter, they have shimmer hydroliners, and I got the blue one, but it didn't actually come yet because of the whole COVID situation and everything. I think because of Durga Puja and other festivals, parcels cannot reach Calcutta. I don't know what's up, but I delayed this video for that one, but it didn't come still now, so I thought of just doing the video. I can't wait more. Anyway, so these are my second most favorite IG stores to buy hydroliners from. Okay, so the next hydroliner is in fact my first purchase. So these are this beautiful, pretty cute neon hydroliners that I got from Boho Beauty. So as you guys can see, I have kind of used a lot. Like you can see the dip, how much I use them. I use it a lot. This one as well, can you see? I hope you can. I really like the pigment. They are so spot on. But only thing I have figured out that is different from other hydroliners is that it takes a little time to dry. Like it doesn't dry instantly. Pretty Pouch dry instantly and never smudges. This one also never smudges, but it does take a little bit time to dry. So just let it dry a little bit and then put on your lashes or do some other stuff that's left. So it is not going to bother you anyway. Now the fourth IG store is a little on the expensive side. So their hydroliners I think retails for like 600, 700 or maybe 500, but not below 500. I had to mention that because they had incredible packaging as well as their product quality, the aesthetics, their marketing, everything looks so professional. I don't feel that they are a small IG store I don't feel like that. When you just go into their page, the products look so tempting. I understand why their products are a little bit on the medium-ish expensive side. I get that because they put on effort, they put their hard work on their packaging. It looks so stunning, and also the quality they offer is really good. So the IG store that I'm talking about is Shop TF Beauty. Go ahead, click on the link of Shop TF Beauty. You are going to get amazed. Now, since we have talked a little bit about hydra liners, let's talk about pigments, because we all love pigments, don't we? Because we can use pigments as eyeshadows as well as water activated liners. Like what? So they are multifunctional. So I think to start off, you should always buy pigments. But also disclaimer, if you are a messy person, please don't buy pigments, because I am one and I know the risk. Anyways, so I'm going to share with you guys 2 to 3 of my favorite IG stores to buy pigments from. The first one has to be Rhythm Cosmetics. So I got these pastel liners from Rhythm Cosmetics. Now these pigments are like powders, loose powders in a colored form basically, which you can mix with water and apply as liners. Their quality is really good, and their consistency, the pigment, they are spot on. So I would highly recommend you guys this one, and they are so damn cheap. So like where are you trying to invest your money on? So just get these products. Like they are super good, super cheap. Love them. Now the next IG store for pigments are this pretty neon pigments I got from Tycee Cosmetics. Yeah, Tycee, I have a lot of wide variety of things, and I bought kind of each one of them to try out because I was so in love with their product. Got these pigments as a set. They are also really cheap, and love them. However, I do feel that when I mix it, it takes a little more time and effort to mix properly and like in a smooth paste. However, the Rhythm pigments, they are so spot on. They mix so well, they are so smooth and blend so easily. But I do feel that after you mix well, you take your time and mix well, they do kind of pretty good job. They are kind of affordable and very pigmented. So go ahead, try these pigments. Now the third IG store for pigments is slightly in the higher range, but their pigments are also really good. So the IG store is Fempire Beauty. Now it's quite popular these days because a lot of creators are talking about this brand, this IG store brand. Their liners and pigments are very well known by everyone. So since I'm giving you guys options, I thought of just mentioning this name, Fempire Beauty. So you can also go ahead, try them out. So yeah, these are all the IG stores for pigment category. Now we have talked a lot about colors. What about glitters? Let's talk about glitters and shimmers and all those sparkly things. Now I also know that putting rhinestones or glitters can be a little tricky, and not everybody likes to do that. However, I didn't want anybody to miss out anything on this category, so I have glitters, liquid eyeshadows that are kind of shiny, as well as little tiny dusts like shimmer dust. Everything I have, so nobody is missing out on anything today. Let's start with the ones that are more bigger, more chunkier, and a lot like Euphoria vibes. So if you would like to do all this kind of looks, so the perfect IG store would be Indian Nail Art Junk Store. Yes, the name says it all. You can find each and everything that is related to glitters and rhinestones and everything. Basically, it is a nail art store, but people generally buy things for their eye look because everything is the same. So I got this pretty circular shaped rhinestones. I generally use eyelash glue to stick them. This one I got it in multicolor, 12 grid multicolors, but you can get a single color as well. They have a lot of varieties. I choose the multicolor ones because, well, I can get more benefit out of this one. So not only they have circular shaped rhinestones, they do have to offer us heart shaped, star shaped, and whatnot shaped. I also have their heart shaped rhinestones, and they are pretty good. Now this one is the star shaped. This is a red rhinestone. So these are all fun things to spice up your makeup game. So I just really love them. They are so experimental. Now the next IG store is Neve Cosmetics. They have wide range of very tiny shimmers and glitters that when you apply on your eyes look so like smooth, stunning, and it kind of looks like a very shiny shimmer eyeshadow but very smooth. They have chameleon pigments, they have pixie dusts, so quite a wide range of products, different fun products they has to offer. So I really like this brand Neve Cosmetics, and they are so damn aesthetic. Oh my god, if you look through that IG store page, you are gonna get so tempted. Oh my god, the girl who manages this, hats off to her aesthetics. I really like their products, so you can check them out as well. Now the third one is the IG store that I have already mentioned with you guys during hydra liners. So the IG store is Shop TF Beauty again. Yes, they have a wide range of products. What can I do? So I have put them in this category as well because they do have good hydra liners as well as they have good liquid shimmer eyeshadows. They are so stunning and so pigmented. Oh my god, the brown tones, the blue tones, the green tones, they have all range of colors. The colors that they offer, they're so good. Also their price range is kind of a little bit in the medium expensive range, as I have told you guys, but their products are so good. I think they are kind of worth it. So yeah, these are the IG stores. I think we have finally ended this category. Let's jump onto lip glosses. Now I recently made a whole detailed lip gloss video, so I'm going to talk to you guys about lip gloss here, but going to be very quick about it because you gotta check that video out. It's real informative. So the first most favorite IG store that I really rely on is Tycie Cosmetics again. These are their lip glosses. I really find that their lip glosses is so beautiful because, and mind you, I have used tons of lip glosses, high end as well as very affordable, as well as most popular brands, most trendy brands. I have used them all, but I still go back to Tycie Cosmetics lip glosses if I am stepping out. That's because Tycie's formula is very different. Their lip glosses is not too shiny and too liquidy that whenever I put mask on or whenever I go out, it just get transferred or my hair gets sticked onto it. It is not like that. The shine is very much what is needed as well as what is not extra. Like, it's kind of in the middle and it is exactly spot on. That's why I love it so much. I don't know what Tycie puts in their formula of lip glosses. I really like it. So I had to mention these babies first. Also, by the way, I do have a coupon code for these lip glosses, but I never mention them to you guys. First, let me tell you, this is not sponsored. This is for affiliate marketing. It's Shubhankhi5. You can get 5% off if you buy with my coupon code. If you want to buy, you can use my coupon code, or if you don't want to, don't use. No pressure though. Anyway, let's move on. Now, the second IG store for lip glosses I really rely on is again Neve Cosmetics. They also have super duper good amount of range of lip glosses. They have a wide range of colors basically. So, and I really like their formula as well. It's very different from Tycie yet very pretty. I really like their formula. Now it's the time for my most favorite makeup product, which is blush. Okay, I also have to mention this to you guys now that I have a 4 to 5 blush options for you guys in a detailed video, this video right here, and you guys can go check this video out if you want more options, because now I'm going to talk about only 2 IG stores that have, like, that's the favorite of favorites that I talked about in this video. These are the products that I use on a regular day when I am stepping out. These 2 are the products that I love. So I'm going to just mention these 2 products only in this category. So the first IG store you can really close your eyes and believe in is Alia Cosmetics. Oops, Alia Cosmetics. So they have like vegan cruelty free blushes and they are totally homemade, handmade. By the way, they have like 20 to 30 different shades of blushes that I have never seen any brand coming up with. They have that because it's homemade, so they can customize it into any colors. Now the 2 of my most favorite shade is this one. This is a pretty peach color and the smell is so fruity. I don't know, it's fruity as well as flowery. I really like the smell. So this is one of the favorite color that I have. Another one is kind of very similar, but it has a little pinkish tone. This is a little orangey tone. So this one is peach bloom, and you can see how much like dipped this is because I use it so much, and you need very little amount to cover up your face. The first time when I applied it, I didn't know that it is so pigmented. So I took a good amount and applied it, and oh my god, I look like a freaking orange faced person. I really love it. I would just mention that if you are an oily skin person, don't forget to put a powder blush on top of this, because in summertime it can get a little bit, you know, oily if you apply cream blushes and just not set it. But in winter time it is going to be absolutely perfect. And for me, I don't apply anything, I just keep it like that only. It's another different thing that I apply 10 different blushes in every makeup look. That's a different issue that I have. But I don't personally set these blushes because I have really dry skin, but just putting it out there because it gives a very glowy finish. So I think you need to set it a little bit if you are an oily skin person. Now the next one is a tint. So it is not a bang on pigmented blush on your cheeks, but it is like a super cute sort of a naturally blushing look that this tint will give. This is from Nikki Skincare and it's their blush and lip gel. The shade that I have is Chicky Nude. I have talked about this in 1000 of my videos. Wait, did I make 1000 videos? But yeah, anyways, you get it, right? Love this one. I generally started applying this more in recent days when I have to wear a mask. I so apply this over here. I really like the finish it gives on my cheeks. It is a teeny bit orangey, a teeny bit pinkish, like it gives a very peachy sort of a look. And also this is super self-setting, so I don't have to put anything else. I just directly take it on my hand and just dab. It's also super pigmented. It is really runny and liquidy, so you have to keep applying it like a moisturizer, keep rubbing it on your face. But in the end, it really gives you stunning blushed cheeks. But also another thing that I should mention, that some of you guys also had mentioned in my blush video in the comment section that it doesn't last long. For me, it lasted like 2 to 3 hours, and I always carry it in my purse. I generally carry a blush blush and lipsticks in my purse. So whenever I feel that I am losing a little bit of blush, I just apply it. It's so easy to apply using fingers, so I didn't have to worry much. But it lasted me 2 to 3 hours, so I think it is not a problem. And also it is a tint, it's not a blush, so you have to remember that it won't last you like 5 to 6 hours like a whole pigmented blush. This tint will just enhance your natural look. So that's why I really love it. When I am not applying any makeup, I really go for this one. So it doesn't actually bother me. But if that concerns you, I would tell you guys to put a powder blush on top of this one. It will just increase the longevity of it remaining on your cheeks, so you can do that. But apart from that, it looks super stunning on your cheeks, trust me on this. These are the 2 options I would give for blushes. So yeah, that's about all the IG stores that I had to share with you guys regarding all the products that I love buying, like glitters, lip glosses, blushes, hydra liners, pigments. So if you are looking for sort of this kind of products, you can really go ahead, check these Instagram stores out and DM them or click on their websites that will be obviously mentioned in their bios. So just go ahead, place your order, try them out and mention in the comment section, do you guys love it? And with that, I have finally come to the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe. And with that, I'm going to end my video. I'll meet you guys in my next video. Until then, be happy and bye.
I'm out of practice, I ain't had the energy. Depression is a bitch that won't stop texting me. And this anxiety, what the hell she want from me? And give myself the love I want everybody else to give.